My name is Brian. Martin Luther King Jr., Civil Rights Leader. Martin Luther King Jr. is one of the most famous Americans ever. He was a pastor and humanitarian, but is known mostly for basic civil rights activities. King was the leader of the American Civil Rights Movement during the 1950 and 60. His urge of non-violent protest to obtain social change was based on his Christian belief. King was born Michael King, but his father changed his name in honor of the German reformer Martin Luther. The white and the Southern culture in the United States wanted nothing to do with social change during the 60s. Segregation laws in place that prohibited Black Americans from eating at the same restaurants as well or to ride in the same section on public buses with white Americans. King led the famous 1955 Montgomery Bus boycott in reaction to Rosa Parks' refusal to surrender. He was said to a white passenger as well required be like in Montgomery, Alabama at the time. King started his activities while serving as a Baptist minister for the Dexter Avenue Baptist Church. He believed strongly in the Christian belief that loving the neighbor as yourself, which was a philosophy he used throughout his civil rights years. He was also a great speaker. I have a dream speech is regarded as one of the most famous oratory in American history. In it, speaks of how it is dream in for white and black Americans to walk together and inhabit as brothers. The speech also declared how it was his dream for all Americans to be who did not be the color of their skin but be the content of their character. On October 14, 1964, King was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his involvement in combating racial inequality in the United States. He was assassinated in April 1968 in Memphis, Tennessee, at the age of 39.